In this video, I will teach you the no excuses mindset. You are gonna learn how to stay productive and to make sure you keep your workout going. Because many people know about self-improvement and they know what it's all about. And you are no exception to that. You know exactly what you are supposed to do. You didn't click on this video because you need to know how to work out or how to upgrade your character. You know all these things. You're just not taking action. That's the real problem here. In fact, you can go to your YouTube recommendations right now and they are probably filled with motivational videos. You will find like Andrew Tate, Hamza, all these other content creators, you name them. And they're all trying to give you the best tips on how to level up. But the truth is, most people struggle to maintain their will and don't have the discipline to keep going. Look at this clip, for example, so you will better understand what the problem is here.
That's from
How
me.
do you deal with procrastination and laziness? Off you go.
Why are you asking me that question? Why are you on this podcast asking me how to stop procrastinating? Turn off YouTube. Go do something. Jesus Christ. What's wrong with people? This is exactly what you were talking about asking a question where you already know the answer to. You know the answer is to stop doing things that waste your time and apply yourself to something important. Now, this may not be a waste of your time, but let me tell you, you're a dumbass, clearly. It's like Googling how to get fit, like you just said. Everyone knows what a push-up is. Do 10,000 of them a day. Stop wasting your fucking time. You know, I've never had to deal with procrastination. I've never had to deal with not being motivated because what is the alternative? Literally, be a loser forever. I am sick of reading shit on the internet saying, yeah, you know, some people are special and they take longer to bloom and your time will come. Let me tell you something. 99.9% of people who are born broke, live broke, stay broke, die broke. That is the reality for almost everybody. The internet and their it's all going to come to you at the right time bullshit is fucking a psyop to keep you down.
So that's why I like to show you my method on how to stay productive and reduce bad habits that I've been using since February 2023. So you don't end up like that poor guy on Tate's podcast. So here we are, straight into my training schedule. This is how it looks like. So first of all, in case you wonder why this is like such a weird language here, I'm actually a German, but I still decided to make this YouTube channel in English. One reason is I want to improve my English skills, so I figured this is a great opportunity for doing that. And also, self-improvement in Germany isn't really that big, so I figured I could reach out to a greater audience by just having an international YouTube channel. So yeah, this is basically my training schedule. Not everything is physical workout, but I started on February the 13th. On Monday, I'm doing tables, which essentially is lung training. So this will greatly benefit your endurance. Maybe I'm gonna do a separate video on that because it would take a little bit too long. For now, everything you need to know is that this is basically like training breath hold, benefiting your endurance. So on Tuesday I had endurance training. What I'm doing there is pretty much just jogging, like a greater distance over time. Maybe also swimming or like riding bicycle, or even all of that combined to like really push the limits of your endurance, because many people only focus on workout, which I'm doing on Sundays. At first I had tables twice in there, but later I changed it a little bit. So I split up the tasks and reorientated them. So down below is the latest list of how I'm training right now. I'm playing table tennis on Tuesday. So if you're doing a sport like that, feel free to include it in here so you can get better at it. The thing is, you're probably not gonna make money from that, that's obvious. But it's still training your character, and it will greatly benefit you, even though you're most likely not gonna be a top athlete. It doesn't matter. Include it, and it will benefit you. So on Wednesday, I'm doing what's called no entertainment, I guess. So basically, on Wednesdays, I'm not allowed to watch YouTube or anything like that. No movies, no mindless scrolling on, I don't know, Discord or anything. It's just hyper focus, just working all the time, basically. It's really a day where you get shit done. So in the future, I could use that for producing more YouTube videos, I guess. And yeah, that's that. Then yeah, here I had the endurance training switched from Tuesday to Thursday. So on Fridays I decided to have a rest day where I'm not forced to do anything. I mean, you can fill your whole week up with tasks. There's nothing wrong about that. I just decided to have one day off basically. And it's not even that bad because if you're gonna be honest to yourself, before self-improvement, everything looked like this basically. Like that. Everything filled with rest days. So you wouldn't really take that seriously, so I figured why not leave one day free. On Saturdays, it's just saying technology. What this basically means is I can do whatever with technology. So it could be studying AI or programming or anything like that. Any of these topics that are gonna be really important in the future. So of course, video editing is also a big one. So this would also count for that. And since I'm uploading this video, I actually get to mark this off as done. Yeah, with these colors at the side. So green means done, I've done it. Yellow is basically an excuse that's actually an excuse, whether I was sick or it was actually not manageable because, for example, in table tennis, when like the instructor is sick or something and it's just not taking place, if you know what I mean. And yeah, red is really bad. This is if I've forgotten it or if I was too lazy. It's most likely that I have forgotten about it and I wasn't like, if you're really serious about it, you're not gonna be lazy. So, but still, forgetting it is not a valid excuse. So I set myself a punishment for that. As for right now, it's 100 push-ups, but to be honest, it's not even that bad of a punishment, so I'm probably gonna make that a little bit more. Actually, yo, fuck it. Now it's on video. I'm gonna up it to 250 because it should feel like a real punishment, so you actually regret skipping a day and not doing the workout that you're supposed to do, or just forgetting about it. Because the thing is, if you forget about it and then have to do the punishment, you are less likely to forget about it. Who would have thought? Yeah, obviously. So that's basically my list. That's everything how I keep myself productive. And if you found that helpful, you can make a similar list yourself. I'm sure you will find some good inspiration from my list to fill out your weekdays. And I would greatly suggest that you use endurance training because actually a lot of people are not doing that. But like jogging and training your stamina and all of that is actually very helpful for your health. So you should do that. Also, no entertainment days are really good. I picked Wednesday for that. So it's the middle of the week. One day to stay focused and productive. And don't just get mindlessly entertained. So that's also a very important one. And of course, normal workout. You should also have that included. So that's about it. Every day that you're on your PC or laptop, you can go to the list and cross off what you have done. And hopefully, in the end, after some weeks and months, gonna have a really big list with a lot of green. So yeah, this is how I am fighting bad habits and trying to get in physical shape and also get my productivity going. So yep, that's pretty much everything said about this list. So Thank you for watching and advance your life. See ya.